Welcome to Symantec's video tutorials for SSL certificates. Today we'll be looking at how to generate a CSR in Microsoft Server 2008's IIS 7. Let's first open the IIS console to begin. First click the Start button, select Administrative Tools. Now click Internet Information Services IIS Manager. From the Connections pane over to the left, select your server. From the middle pane under the IIS section, double-click the icon Server Certificates. Now under the Actions pane to the right, click on the Create Certificate Request link. The Distinguished Name Properties window will then appear. Take note that the information you enter here will populate the Issue To values for your SSL certificate. This first field, the common name, is where you enter the fully qualified domain name. This would be the host name plus the domain name. Next, for your organization field, you'll enter the legal business name your company operates under. The organizational unit is required by IIS 7. I'll enter IT department for this example. Here you'll enter the city or locality for your company. The state or province cannot be abbreviated, so please ensure that you completely spell out the name. And last, select your country or region, then click Next. You may leave the cryptographic service provider at the default Microsoft RSA-S channel, but please update the bit length to 2048 as Symantec no longer accepts 1024 bit lengths. Now click Next. Before we specify a file name, let's click the ... button here to the right. Here we're going to save the CSR file to a location we can retrieve it from later. In this example, I'll save it to my desktop and give it a file name of cert.req. Then click Open. Now click the Finish button and IIS will create your CSR file. Finally, let's locate the CSR file and open it. Be sure that the file opens only in Notepad before you copy and paste this information for your certificate enrollment. That's it. Thanks for watching our tutorial videos. For further support and troubleshooting, please visit our SSL support pages at www.symantec.com/help.